Now, what is balance of payment accounting? All the economic transactions that are taking under this balance of payment are recorded in double entry book system. You all know better than me what is double entry book system. So it has got both the sides, that is debit and the credit side. Okay, so the balance of payment accounting means all the economic transactions are recorded in the double entry book system. Now, all the international transaction or the economic transactions have to be entered, means there will be two entry of each transactions. All the economic or the international transactions will have two entries, that is credit side as well as the debit side. And balance of payment accounting means this both the credit side and debit side has to be equal. Both this debit and the credit side has to be equal, and this is called the balance of payment accounting. Okay, so now this, the corresponding part of it is balance of trade. Okay, so now what is this balance of trade? Balance of trade is the difference between export and import of visible goods. Balance of trade is the difference between export and import of the visible goods. Okay, remember we are taking only the visible goods. Now, in case of exports, it is a positive thing. It is a positive change. Means we are earning foreign exchange. We are earning foreign currency. What did I say? Export means from the goods are being sold to the other countries from our countries. Means we are sending from our countries to the abroad countries. So they will pay us in foreign currency. Okay, so we are earning foreign exchange in case of exports. So it will be entered in the credit side. Now, imports will be entered in the debit side. Why? Because in imports we are buying from the other countries. Okay, we are bringing things from abroad to our countries. So that is why we have to pay them in the foreign currency. Now, when we are paying them in the foreign currency, means the foreign currency is going away from us. So this is a negative transaction. So it is coming in the debit side. Okay. So this balance of trade is a part of the balance of payment. Balance of payment or balance of trade is favorable only when exports are more than imports. Balance of trade are favorable when exports are more than imports. Why? Because when we are exporting, we are earning the foreign currency, and when we are importing, we are losing foreign currency. So obviously, if exports are higher than imports, it is benefit for us. Okay, so it is favorable when exports are more than imports. Okay, balance of trade is also called balance of visible trade or trade balance. So balance of trade is also called balance of visible trade or trade balance. By balance of visible trade, because we are dealing with only the visible items. Okay, in the next video I am going to the next topic.